Hey babies. Maybe you
Can you tell us about these snakes?
Yeah.
The skin color.
Hey folks, welcome back. If you haven't watched my previous Mirisa video yet, I'm leaving the link here and also in the description. Please do watch it and share your thoughts in the comment section. Today we are at a snake farm where snakes are not trained or tamed. These snakes are from the wild and I will show you how friendly these snakes can be. Share this video with your friends who like snakes, reptiles or friends who fear snakes.
So, guys, the next place, don't look at this and judge me, okay? The next place where we are now is at a snake farm, okay? This snake farm is not that very famous, but since we were exploring, we just didn't have any plan. We just took our bike and we were just exploring, and then we came to know about this snake farm. And here they have a lot of snakes, venomous, non-venomous snakes. So we thought we'll just come and take a look at it, but it's going to take some time for or the owner of this place who is going to come and take us through their farm, and also to show his pet snakes, or the venomous snakes that he has a separate area in which he's maintaining them. So we are going to go and explore his garden. While yes, of course, it is a bit scary. See, here you have paddy fields.
So basically this is Srilanka's friend's property in which he's taking care of the rescued snakes for time being.
They have tea plantations, they have green tea, and they have cinnamon. I hope some snake doesn't show up. Okay, guys, this is a well. Okay. Have you seen a well like this? And here is the paddy field. I wouldn't want to take a risk and get inside. And it's a long day and we are also super tired. We just want to go and get some good fish for dinner and chill.
Meet Srilanka Lakshan, who is a snake rescuer. He rescues injured snakes, treats their wounds and takes care of them until they are ready, and then he releases them back to the jungle. If you are in Mirisa or in Telinjavela, then don't miss out this place, as the charges for entry to this place is nominal, and you have Srilanka who is very friendly and he also very politely explains about each snake.
You don't bite, no? No.
What is the age of this?
Yeah, 2 years old.
Okay. Beautiful. Oh. Cool. Chill. Okay, so this is a baby python. This is a baby python and it is 5 months old.
3 months.
3 months old. Okay. Chill. This is just camera. Say hello to all the people watching. Yeah. How does it feel? Okay. So this is a native Sri Lankan snake, which is not, you will not find it anywhere else. It is majorly in Sri Lanka.
Endemic is
Beautiful. Look at the skin color.
Maybe you.
Yeah, can you tell us about these snakes?
Yeah, train cutty snake.
Train cut.
Train cutty snake.
Okay.
Lives on the ground.
Okay.
Frogs and mouse, they are food.
Okay.
Yeah. 5 snake
Venomous
here.
or no?
Not venomous.
Okay.
2 males and 3 females here.
To always stay together in bunch.
No, only breeding season. It can live together.
Okay.
Okay. You want to take any one of them? Or you want to take them in bunch?
The whole no.
Now look what I'm going to do. Hey babies. Okay.
Have you got any snake bite?
Yeah.
Okay. The sound.
Yeah, this is
Is it aggressive? Oh, attacking.
Attack position.
Okay.
It's practical cobra.
Okay.
In Sri Lanka.
Yeah, Indian.
Indian king cobra.
King oh, okay.
King cobra is bigger.
This snake is so ferocious, and look at its posture, ready to attack us if we move
How
even
venomous
an
is it?
inch forward.
Harvesting, they should be very careful.
Yeah, farmers, workers.
Farmers.
Yeah, very careful. Come close. You can take close.
So guys, this is python. Okay, and it is beautifully resting on me. And look at him. He's seeing all of you. So better like, share and subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Otherwise, I'm just going to leave this on.
Do you usually come here, these monkeys?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
here is the
It
injury.
is having a stitch.
Yeah.
Okay.
We were able to see different types of non-venomous and venomous snakes here, like shrinklet snakes, pipe snake, python, green vine, cobra and hump-nosed viper. This farm is in Telinjavila, and I'm sharing Srilanka's contact number and location in the description in case you want to visit this place. That's it for this video. Please do like, share your thoughts in the comment section, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you all soon with yet another video. Until then, this is RJ Yoganan signing off. Tata, bye bye and take care.